When it comes to giving your woman pleasure, you don't want to give her the old run-of-the-mill orgasm anymore. You are done giving her that mediocre satisfaction that just doesn't cut it. Sometimes, you barely get a peep out of her when you are stimulating away, and so you know that you just aren't doing something right. It really makes you feel like less of a man when you are unable to give her what you want or what she is expecting in the bedroom. It's time to say enough is enough, and it's time that you learned how to really blow her mind. You want to know how to get a woman to squirt in record-breaking time. You want to be able to make her ejaculate so fast that it will make her head spin. You want to give her this kind of out-of-this-world pleasure, and you are ready to make that happen. However, you can't do it on your own. If you want to give this moment to her, then you are going to need to learn some stimulation tips for men. When it comes to the ejaculating orgasm, the first thing men need to know is that it is all about the G-spot. Even though clitoral stimulation does come in handy here and it does help her to reach that moment faster, the whole female ejaculation orgasm is a very powerful climax that is brought on from the power of the vaginal walls and the G-spot. You need to be able to stroke and touch her G-spot properly so you can get this orgasm out of her. For a lot of men, it is a difficult thing to do because men have very long, wide fingers that don't have a lot of room when it comes to stimulating a woman. This is why a toy might help you out. While you are stimulating her clitoris, you could be using a toy on her that is specifically designed for G-spot stimulation. It is slender and it will get right in there to ensure that she reaches her maximum pleasure potential. Another stimulation tip that every man should know before he attempts to make his woman ejaculate is that you need to be patient. The female orgasm has a lot more deciding factors than the male orgasm. This is even truer when it comes to the ejaculating orgasm. If your woman gets turned off at any moment, her body temperature isn't right, or she just feels uncomfortable, she won't squirt, no matter how amazing your techniques are. One surefire way to make sure that you get her to squirt in record-breaking time is to get her in the mood ahead of time. If you can get her so revved up that she is sopping wet and that she is in the zone completely, then you won't have to worry about her becoming distracted by anything else. Keep this in mind and you will be able to give her the pleasure that you want. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more videos.